All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we have this, a big box to open, and as you can see, I've got my gloves on because Delhi is currently freezing cold. There's no sunlight at all. It's been almost like 10 days. We had some sunshine yesterday, but again, we're in gloomy weather. So I have my gloves on because if I don't keep them on, my hands are going to freeze. The upper parts of my hands and fingers, of course, are literally getting so cold that it's difficult even to, hold an X-Acto knife and, cut parts. So I don't know when I'm going to get some bench time. So I thought I'll show you the newest package. This is the package that I received, a huge big box. And look at what you see here. Yeah, that's right, Amazon. But don't be fooled, because the box that this package came in was almost destroyed. But thankfully, the good part is that everything else within that box was intact. But the box was almost beyond the point where, it could hold any more kits. I ordered these from Super Hobby, and I went for the economy package. The kits are for around 6,000, including shipping, but I paid about 1,200 extra on it. That's the good part about Super Hobby, that the kits are available at very competitive prices, and you can choose between economy shipping and priority shipping. Though usually I've noticed I did get a few packages from Super Hobby which were priority packages, and I had to pay a very high customs on those. This time I got the package by economy post. Took about 38 days to reach me, so 1 month and 8 days. Compared to the usual, if I order from other sites, I usually get them within, at the max, 15 to 20 days. But this one took about 1 month and 8 days. But nonetheless, everything else is thankfully intact. So let's open the box and, without further blabbering, see the contents. Okay, let's put the box aside. All right, so here's the first one. ZTS Plastic 1/72 SU22 fitter. This is the UM3K. That's the trainer version. I really like the trainer version of the fitter. So I got this. It's a made in Poland kit. It's got the paint scheme at the back, and I'm going to go for an outer box paint scheme for this one. I really love the Czech and the Polish SU22s. So that's the first one. And you can see, this box has taken a lot of beating because this was packed right below the box, and there was no bubble wrap, no newspaper packaging. They were just stuffed inside the box and came all the way to India. So this box took a little bit of beating. Of course, I've set it right by, pressing it around. I've already opened and checked the sprues. Thankfully, the canopy is intact, which is what matters. I don't know about the rest of the sprues, so I'll only know when I start building this. So that's the SU22. Another one of my favorites, the F20 Tiger Shark, and this is in 72nd scale from Hasegawa. Nice little kit. Hasegawa kits are good. I built quite a few of them. So that's the next one. The third one is again a Hasegawa kit, and this is the aircraft weapon loading set, again in 72nd scale. I bought this basically for these weapon loaders, although I have scratch built a few for myself, which also look pretty good. You must have seen it in the pictures, but I could have scratch built more, but just for the ease of it, I got this set. Good part is it comes with a tractor, which is what I needed. I do have a die-cast tractor, which you must have seen in my Indian Air Force MiG-21 picture, but I'll build this tractor nonetheless. And of course, you must have seen the Airfix unboxing of this kit. the 172nd British Aerospace Hawk Trainer Mark 1A. So that's the next one, and the last one is the 1/144 scale Su-34 strike flanker, or the Hell Duck. I really love this plane. This is a nice Russian aircraft, and I do love building Russian aircraft. And by the stroke of my magical powers of abracadabra, I have not one but two of these kits, and my plan is to build them as a double build. One of them is going to be in the black paint scheme of the Hell Duck, and the other one is going to be in the usual ocean blue camouflage scheme. That's the plan. So that's the unpacking of the box, and I will be going ahead with the construction of the Hawk next. So stay tuned for the build video of the Hawk coming soon. Oh, and if you've not seen the unboxing, I'll put a link to the Hawk unboxing below. Do consider subscribing, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.